What's going on, guys? So I want to take a look at another stock. That stock is going to be Workhorse WKHS. I kind of want to do a little bit of a chart breakdown on this because there was a lot of heavy option flow for the $18 in the money um, options coming through the live feed today. And I want to show you guys why I'm watching this $18 level here. So if you see these two long wicks here, this wick going back to 7 a.m. on Monday, and this wick happening pre-market at 6 a.m. today, Tuesday. Okay, two times it was rejected at this $18 level here. That was taking out all of this price action here and all of this price action here if we can retest it for the third time. If Workhorse can get through and push through with momentum and the bulls can take control of this $18 area here, it does have a first initial move to 1852. So if you are into trading these smaller cap stocks, you are into trading, swing trading, swing trading and day trading, scalping these small stocks, a 50-cent move on an $18 stock is a phenomenal move. I would look to take profits in the 1840 to 1850 area. You can expect a little bit of resistance at that upper linear regression line as soon as it hits about 1850, 1852. You can expect some chop. However, if the stock is very strong, obviously it can make a push through that. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the options. Some of the options bets that are on the table there. We do have some $20 out of the money calls for next week's expiration, I believe, and we'll check that out in a minute. So definitely Workhorse is going to be on watch for breaking this $18 area here. I do have the 1 hour time frame on the chart. All of the moving averages are sloping up. The chart has looked strong for quite some time now, coming out of its bottom channel here. If I just go to the daily chart here and kind of get a better perspective as to why I am watching at $18 level, that $18 level is going to clear out all of this price action going all the way back to 531, 62, really since the beginning of the month. So we've got about two weeks of consolidation here, almost 3 weeks of consolidation here. And if it can break through this upper Bollinger Band here and retest that 18 and confirm 18, it does have a move on a swing trade all the way into 1893. So just keep that in mind. If you are looking to day trade and or scalp that $18 break can take you to the 1850s, which is a 50-cent potential move based on your position sizing or how many contracts you're taking. That can be more than sufficient enough to take some profits. However, if you do want to swing trade this longer and the momentum continues and it continues to hold support, you do have room to 1893. And obviously 1893 can take this into 1976, and beyond $20 can go all the way up to $27.35. However, that kind of move is not going to happen in one session. That's going to take a little bit of time, a little bit of building, some consolidation, some back testing, so forth and so forth. But realistically, ever since this gapped up over the 50-day moving line, moving average here, when the breakout initially happened at around $11.58, it's pretty much gone straight up and sideways. That first day after the breakout, it did hit $18, kind of back tested the 5-day moving average and the Bollinger Band here, broke through and has kind of just been riding the 5 and 10-day moving average here. Seems to be sloping up, so price action is getting better. Today is more of an inside bar day from yesterday's candle, so nothing wrong with that. A little bit of profit taking, a little bit of digestion still. I think this is 1 or 2 days away from breaking 18 if the stock is going to continue to be strong. So just to re-clarify, I am looking at an $18 break. That first move, I am looking for 50 cents, anywhere from 40 to 50 cents to take profits. Obviously, I'm going to want to keep a runner to see if this can touch 19. And if it can sort of confirm this $19 area, 1893, it is going to have room into 1970s, 1950s area. Obviously, if the stock is still going to continue to be strong and there's going to be momentum and it does keep bouncing around here and finding support going forward, obviously the bigger macro picture break on this is 1976, and you have just about 7, 8, 9 points worth of room to 27. So for all you options players who are looking to really get clear skies ahead, you are looking for that 1976 break on Workhorse. Everyone who scalps options, you are looking for an 18 break and you're looking to unload contracts at around $18.50 to $19, depending on a day trade scalping perspective. If you are on the equity side, meaning you're trading shares, you have more than enough room from 18 to 18.50 to make a nice penny depending on your position sizing. However, I would really go half size or maybe quarter size on that trade, and I would probably go full size on the 1976 break, looking for that push to 27.35. That is my breakdown on Workhorse. Let me just go ahead and pull up the options activity that I'm seeing on Workhorse here. So we do have this week's expirations of $92,000 bet that is sitting there. We also have next week's expirations of 18 at 176,000. We've also got 716 strikes out of the money, $20 call options. There's a $61,000 bet there. Open interest at about 27,745. We also have 716 18, 7 9 20. So that $18 area is going to be very, very huge on Workhorse. Just keep that in mind. Add this to your watch list. If you do see this start to confirm 18, take a stab at it. Use the previous 5-minute candle as your stop if you're a scalper. Use the previous day's low as your stop if you're a swing trader. Also, guys, if you want more videos like this, you want more chart breakdowns, and you want access to my daily signals, please like and subscribe this video. Also, I'm going to link my Patreon down in the description box below. That is going to give you access to the private Discord channel and server that I have, a little community that I started where I'm kind of giving out tips and some chart breakdowns and kind of showing you guys what trades that I'm taking and when I'm taking them. Also going to give you guys the live option flow on some of the biggest bets and my daily watch list going forward. So I hope to see you all in the Discord, and if not, just like and subscribe to the video so I can continue putting out this great content for you guys. So I will see you guys all on the next video.